Hello loves, welcome to my channel. It's Ada's Recipes with you again today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make samosa and spring rolls wrappers. Guys, you're going to enjoy this video. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching. So here I have 2 cups of sifted all-purpose flour. Add half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, you mix. The next thing you're going to do is to add water little at a time, okay? So you'll be adding 160 ml of water in total. And like I said, you're going to be adding it little at a time. You're going to knead till you get a non-sticky dough. The next thing you're going to do is to cover and leave for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, you knead for another 5 to 7 minutes. Next, you divide the dough into smaller slices, as you guys can see here. So the next thing you're going to do, with the help of flour, you press the dough this way. Then using a rolling pin, you flatten a little. So repeat the same process. So we are done with this process. The next thing you're going to do is to grease the top of the dough with vegetable oil. So this will prevent the dough from sticking to each other. Then you sprinkle some flour on it, then place it on each other. We are doing it in 2 batches, okay, because we have 6 dough here. Then using a rolling pin, you spread the dough until very flat and thin. So guys, this is it. You repeat the same process. So we need a well-rounded samosa or spring roll wrapper. So using a well-rounded plate or object, you carve out a well-rounded wrapper. Hope you guys are seeing this. So this is what we need. So the next thing you're going to do is to place it in a preheated pan on medium heat. If you guys are seeing those bubbles coming up, so once it comes up, you can flip over to the second side, okay? But it's optional though. You can leave it on one side, but I prefer, doing it on both sides. So this is the second batch. We repeat the same process, and boom, this is a well prepared spring rolls wrapper. So we are going to separate them, okay? So in one wrapper we have 3 different wrappers. So with the help of that vegetable oil and flour I sprinkled on it, it will help us separate this dough, or rather the wrappers, very well. So you have to be very careful at this stage not to make a mistake, okay? So this is one of our wrappers. So like I said, we have 3 in here, so it's remaining 2. This gave us about in total it gave me about 9, okay? 9 samosas and spring rolls wrapper. So you have to be careful at this stage, like I said. So you can use this for your samosas, you can use it for your spring roll, okay? You can use it to wrap your samosas, you can use it to wrap your spring rolls. So like I said, you just have to be careful at this stage. So once you get it off from the pan, please, the next thing you should do is to put it in a towel, okay? Not to dry out, okay? You put it in a towel and leave it for like some minutes to cool before you start this particular process you're seeing here, okay? So with your flour, salt, water and vegetable oil, you can just come up with your well-prepared homemade samosas and spring roll wrappers. So guys, this is it. So our spring rolls and samosa wrappers are ready. So guys, you can just come up with yours at home. It's easy and simple, okay? Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.